Hello Tikkies, welcome to our another video series of use case using MS Power Automate desktop. In this video we will create one use case. So our use case is how to check Excel spreadsheet has value or empty. Here you can see this expression. Using this expression we will create this use case how to check Excel spreadsheet has a value or not. So let's understand first what is the meaning of Excel spreadsheet has value or not. So in this spreadsheet you can see also we will use this spreadsheet while creating the use case. Here you can see there are some records are available in this spreadsheet, and so it means this spreadsheet has value. If just click on another sheet, if there is no value, the spreadsheet is look like this, means there is no record are available in this spreadsheet. So I hope you understood about the meaning of Excel spreadsheet has value or empty. So let's open Power Automate desktop and see how we can implement this use case with the help of Excel data.isEmpty properties. So here for our time saving I have already created a flow for this use case. So let me explain first what I did in this flow, and after this we will run this flow and see the output of this flow. For opening challenge.xls Excel file, here I am using launch Excel action, and after this I am using read from Excel worksheet action, and here you can see I am in this action I am selecting all available value from worksheet in the parameter of retrieve, and in advanced section I am here checking first line of range content column names, and after this I am using here if and else action to check this variable is empty or not, means the Excel data variable has value or not. Here you can see the property is also available in operator. So just click on save, and after this I am using display message box to display if Excel has a value, then it is displaying Excel spreadsheet is not empty. If Excel spreadsheet has no record, then it is showing this display message box Excel spreadsheet is empty. And after this I am using else. In else section I am using display message box to display Excel spreadsheet is not empty. So before running this flow, let's open challenge.xls file and see the file has value or not. So I am opening this file challenge.xls. Here you can see there are 11 records are available in this spreadsheet. So let's close this and run this flow and see what is the output of this flow. So here I am running this flow. You can see your flow has been executing successfully. Here explicit is not empty. This message display message action is showing because here in Excel spreadsheet you can see in this spreadsheet there are value or records are available. That is why it is showing Excel spreadsheet is not empty. So let's check on negative scenario when Excel spreadsheet has no record. So let's disable this one and enable this, and before running this flow let's see the spreadsheet new Microsoft Excel worksheet. Here in this Excel you can see there are no record available in this spreadsheet. So let's close and run this flow and see what is the output of this flow. So I am running this flow. You can see your flow is executing now. Here it is displaying Excel spreadsheet is empty because here you can see in Excel spreadsheet there are no records are available. So that is why it is displaying Excel spreadsheet is empty. So I hope you understood about this use case, how to check Excel spreadsheet has value or empty. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in a next video.